Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to install dual messenger in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. At first, open up your settings app and then scroll down, then go to apps. After that, go to app cloner. Now from here you can install second copy of Facebook, Imo, Messenger and WhatsApp. If you want to install second copy of Messenger, then just tap on Messenger. Now from here you have to enable this create app clone option and it's done. Now if you go to your home screen and then go to app screen, now here you can see in my phone dual messenger has been installed successfully. Now just open it and you can see it's ready for use. From here you can log in or sign up your Facebook account. Now from here if you tap on messenger again and then tap on rename app clone. From here you can rename your second messenger, then tap on save and it's done. And that is how you can install dual messenger in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.